Pixel phones have always been so stable. While there were still several reports from users who've encountered issues with them, most of those problems are actually pretty minor, including the one that causes the phone to become unresponsive or won't turn on. In this video, we will show you how to fix your Pixel 5 that won't turn on. First solution: check for signs of physical damage. Before doing any troubleshooting procedures, inspect your phone first if there are any visible signs of physical damage. If the screen is cracked or broken, that's probably the reason why your device won't light up anymore. Also, inspect the side or the back to see if there are scratches or dents. Aside from that, look into the charging port to see if there is some kind of moisture in it. If there is, then try to dry it using a Q-tip or insert a piece of paper to absorb the moisture. If it's either due to physical damage, then we suggest you bring your phone to the shop and have it repaired. After all, there's only so much you do about that. But after making sure it's not due to physical damage, then try the following solutions. Second solution: perform the forced restart. Most of the time, lags are caused by apps that have issues with the firmware. Those apps might be crashing without you knowing about it. However, there's also a possibility that it's just one of the firmware issues that occur from time to time. Here's what you should do. Press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. This will trigger your Pixel 5 to power back up. Once the Google logo shows, release the power key and wait until the reboot is finished. After the restart, try to see if your phone still keeps on lagging. If it still does, move on to the next solution. Third solution: charge your phone and do the forced restart. If doing the second solution doesn't fix the problem, then it's possible that the battery is drained. Sometimes the firmware also crashes if you let the phone run out of juice, and if that happens, you'll be dealing with a couple of pretty minor issues that result in this problem. So here's what you need to do. Plug the power adapter to a working wall outlet. Use the original charging cable to connect your phone to it. Regardless of whether the charging sign shows or not, leave it connected to the charger for at least 10 minutes. After that, and while your Pixel phone is still connected to the charger, press and hold the power key for 8 seconds. When the Google logo shows, release the power key and wait until the boot process is finished. If your Pixel 5 won't turn on due to a minor firmware issue, then it should already be booting up by now. However, if it remains to be unresponsive even after doing these procedures, then it's a possible hardware issue. You may need to have the device checked if that's the case. And that's what you need to do if your Pixel 5 won't turn on. We hope that this simple troubleshooting guide has been helpful. Please support us by subscribing to our channel and enabling notifications. Thanks for watching.